market outlook. First of all, let me start with a brief review. Uh, for the first time since January 11, Nifty closed below the psychological mark of 6,000 on Friday, which was weighed down by the sharp fall in the SOMS index images. Weak overseas market and disappointing quarterly results from BHEL and Bharat Airtel also weighed on the market sentiment. The result of a private survey showed that the manufacturing output expanded at its slowest pace in 3 months in January 2013 as new orders grew at a weak pace and as power outages continued to hurt the industry. Activity also turned the market sentiments negative. Nifty ended down 35 points or 0.6 percentage at a 598 and the Sensex closed at 19,780 which was down 113 points. Turnover in the cash market declined to 143 billion rupees from 183 billion rupees on Thursday. Ultratech Cement and Tata Motors shares ended down 3.4 and 5.5 percentage respectively after a free trade on NSE. Shares in the oil and gas space bucked the market trend after Morgan Stanley raised the weightage of energy stocks in its Indian model portfolio. Cairn India, IOC, Hindpetro, and Bharat Petroleum Corporation gained 1 to 3 percentage. Reliance Industries also shot up a few minutes before the close of market hours on reports that the Defence Ministry has given clearance to 39 oil and gas blocks, including KGD6. Profit booking after the recent rally weighed on shares of real estate companies. Puravankara Projects, DLF, JP Associates fell 2 to 4 percentage. The shares of JP Associates fell 4 percentage on reports that the company has sold shares worth $100 million to institutional investors to trim its debt. Maruti Suzuki India rose nearly 2 percentage as its total vehicle sale declined only by 1 percentage on year to 114,000 units in January. Oil India, whose offer for sale of 16 million shares was fully subscribed on Friday, ended down 2.7% at 525 rupees. Coming to today's outlook, trading is expected to remain cautious this week as sentiment remains muted after the central bank's comment on Tuesday and as traders watch out for earnings of auto major Mahindra and Mahindra and cement companies including ACC. A sudden slump in share prices of Tata Motors and Ultratech Cement in late market hours on Friday would make investors take a cautious bet. Market participants will also watch for any announcement from the government about the upcoming budget. Investors will wait to see some policy action from the government as the union budget for 2013 and 14 is around the corner. The budget section of the parliament will begin on February 21st. The railway budget will be presented on February 26th and the union budget on February 28th. Post the RBI policy meeting, the focus has shifted to other domestic and global cues, especially the US debt ceiling and spending cut issues. India's plan to raise about $2 billion through a stake sale in power producer NTPC Limited will likely to take place on February 7. And this week we have major results. On Monday, Bank of Baroda and United Spirits will announce a result. On Tuesday, UCO Bank, Apollo Tyres, and on Monday we have a data from PMA also. On Wednesday, Cipla, Tech Mahindra will announce its result. Tuesday, ACC, Ambuja Cement, MRF, and Aravindo Pharma will announce its result. And Friday, we have a result from Sun Pharma, Can Bank, and M&M. Investors in domestic market will eye the overseas market and October earnings season, which is going on. Back to today's outlook, Asian indices rose today, buoyed by the positive jobs and manufacturing data from the US. Japan's Nikkei rose as the yen weakened against all major currencies, raising hopes for continued monetary support from the country's central bank to overcome the deflation. US indices surged Friday, sending the Dow Jones Industrial Average above 14,000 mark for the first time in 5 years, on the back of encouraging jobs and manufacturing data. A separate report released by the Institute of Supply Management showed that countries ISM manufacturing PMI rose to 53 in January from a revised 50.2 in December. Back home, trading may start on a positive note, tracking the global cues further in direction will be driven by October-December earnings numbers. Among the stock, some weakness may persist in Bharti Airtel after the company posted a disappointing quarterly earnings on Friday. And the support for the stock, which entered down 3% at 329 rupees, is seen at 300 rupees. Tata Motors also may witness some selling pressure as its total vehicle sales declined 29 percentage from a year ago to 61,600 units in January. Hero MotoCorp, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto are yet to detail their monthly sales numbers, which is expected this week. So we can expect some stock specific action in all these companies. On the technical side, Nifty is trading in a narrow range with some negative bias. The major support for this spot Nifty is seen at 5,950, and on the worst case, we can expect a selling pressure up to 5,905.88 range. So we have been advising our clients that the market is in a consolidation for the last 1 week with a stiff resistance at the 6,100 range. So we didn't get a close above that range. That also signaled a negative sentiment, and now the profit booking is going on, and we can expect the same action up to the 5,950 and 5,900 range. We have already initiated a sell call in Nifty future with the immediate target of 5,975 range. So trade cautiously, and October-December earnings will keep the market volatile. So act according to the earnings numbers when we take a positions in stock specific counties. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.